Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be testing out my cap gun from the dollar store. So I can't assure you that it will work, but I already loaded it, so I haven't used the cap gun in an extremely long time. But we shall try it. And you know what, let's set up, actually you know what, we'll just okay, here we go. Here we go. It's a cap gun. I think you all know what a cap gun is. It is a gun that makes loud noise and doesn't sound like the real gun, but it sounds a little bit. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, first try. Oh, wow. That was the first shot. My bad. I didn't really get that on film, but here we go. What's going on here? No way. No way. This thing sucks. Okay, let's read. Let me just put the phone down here for a second. They are good caps though, I noticed. Okay, switch it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this again. This time I'm gonna just use this. Oh, there. Nah, that's not what I want. Alright, can see the smoke, so it did pop them. I heard it. Let me just get this open. Alright, well, see if it popped them. They all did get popped. They just suck. This is my cat. Yeah, Betty, this is my new revolver. Yeah, thank you very much. Well, I have no clue what to say. I'm sad. But, I think I'm just going to, maybe I'll make an episode 2 of this later and figure out what was wrong. But yeah. Alright guys, bye.